Welcome. In the next few minutes, you'll see a gold trading strategy that I believe is one of the most consistent opportunities available today. It's called Sonic AI. Over 17 months of live, independently verified performance on my FX book, this strategy has delivered an average return of 1.17% per month at portfolio level. Maximum drawdown of just 0.86%. Win rate approximately 80%. And every single trade is publicly verifiable on my FX book. Fully transparent, in real time. Let's walk through exactly how this works, and why over 170,000 people are already copying it. Here is the monthly performance from November 2024 through to today. 18 consecutive positive months, 0 negative months. Average gain per month, 1.17%. The lowest month delivered 0.55%. The highest, 1.78%. What's important to notice is the consistency. Even during volatile months on the gold market, this strategy stayed positive, and the maximum risk on any single trade, just 0.04% of the portfolio. The team behind Sonic AI brings 15 years of professional experience managing real money in Forex markets. They've worked with private family offices and institutional clients. 463 trades across 18 months. Every one of them tracked and published in real time. In September 2025, they launched the strategy on CopyX, tagmarkets copy trading platform, which means anyone with a tagmarkets account can now follow Sonic AI automatically. Currently, it's the #1 ranked strategy on the platform. Full transparency, approximately 87% of all trades close in profit during the CopyX public period. The maximum consecutive losses ever recorded across the entire 18-month track record, just 2. Average trade duration, under 15 minutes. These are short, precise gold trades. Get in, get out. And maximum risk per single trade remains at 0.04% of the portfolio. Every trade can be verified directly on my FX book. Link is on screen. Sonic AI runs exclusively through tagmarkets, operated by TM Financials Limited, registered in the Republic of Mauritius, and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Today, tagmarkets serves over 900,000 clients globally, with more than $350 billion in monthly trading volume, 75 liquidity providers, more than 6,000 new clients joining every single day, and in 2025 alone, the platform grew its customer base 21 times over. Tagmarkets is now licensed across multiple jurisdictions. The primary operating license, Mauritius FSC, active and verifiable. And as of 2026, Tagmarkets has added a new jurisdiction, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa, or FSCA. Both jurisdictions enforce client fund segregation and strict anti-money laundering and KYC standards. This adds another layer of regulatory transparency on top of the existing framework. This is one of the most important things to understand. Every Tagmarkets customer account is now insured up to $1 million per account, backed by Lloyd's of London, one of the most recognized insurance markets in the world. The premium cost to the customer, 0. Tagmarkets pays the entire premium. This insurance covers broker insolvency or bankruptcy resulting from broker wrongdoing. To be clear, it does not cover trading losses or strategy performance. But for the broker risk question, that is now off the table. CopyX is Tagmarkets' exclusive copy trading platform. Here's how it works. Your account automatically mirrors every trade Sonic AI makes in real time. No decisions required, no market knowledge needed, no prior Forex experience. You see every strategy's full performance history before you commit a single dollar. There is no management fee, no monthly subscription, no join fee. The only fee is a 30% performance fee, which is automatically deducted weekly from profit achieved. You keep 70% of all profits. And there are over 55 active strategies on the platform, but Sonic AI stands out. Over 170,000 people are already following Sonic AI, making it the #1 ranked strategy on the entire platform. This is where it gets interesting. Tagmarkets, working with 75 liquidity providers, offers 2 amplified account structures designed to multiply your trading capital, without you needing to put in the full amount yourself. Here's how it works. Your deposit goes in. Tagmarkets amplifies it through their liquidity provider network. Sonic AI then trades the full amplified portfolio. Profits are credited to your account on every trade, and you keep 70%. The platform takes a 30% performance fee, deducted automatically, weekly. The first option is the 12x account. Standard deposit, no extras required. A $10,000 deposit gives you a $120,000 trading portfolio. The drawdown limit is 10%. Based on historical data, the estimated net return is approximately 5 to 8% monthly on your capital, after all fees. The second option is the 24x account. This is a time-limited offer, and to activate it you need a special community token hash code, which we provide separately. With this account, the same $10,000 deposit becomes a $240,000 trading portfolio. The drawdown limit is 5%. Based on historical data, the estimated net return is approximately 10 to 15% monthly on your capital. Again, after all fees. Now, about safety. The 24x account closes if the portfolio hits 5% drawdown. With Sonic AI's maximum risk of 0.04% per trade, that mathematically requires 125 consecutive losing trades to trigger closure. MyFXBook's risk of ruin statistical model puts the threshold at 34, even more conservative. Either way, the maximum ever recorded across 18 months of live trading is 2. For the 12x account, the same math gives you 250 consecutive losses, or 68 on the risk of ruin model. One more important point, capital is locked for 30 days after deposit. This is required by the liquidity providers who amplify your position. However, your profits are withdrawable from day one, so while your initial capital stays in place for the first month, every dollar of profit you generate is yours to take out immediately. Based on real verified follower account performance averaging 0.77% monthly after the 30% fee, here's what that translates to. On a 12x account, an estimated 5 to 7% net monthly on capital. On a 24x account, an estimated 10 to 13% net monthly on capital. To put that in numbers, a $10,000 deposit on a 24x account historically generated approximately $1,294 per month net. A $100,000 deposit, approximately $12,936 per month net. These are illustrative figures based on historical data. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's talk honestly about risk. There are really two categories that matter: market and strategy risk on one side, and broker risk on the other. On the market and strategy side, past performance does not guarantee future results. Gold market conditions can change, and the strategy could underperform. The 24x account closes if the portfolio hits 5% drawdown. With Sonic AI's maximum risk of 0.04% per trade, that mathematically requires 125 consecutive losing trades. MyFXBook's risk of ruin model puts that threshold at 34, even more conservative. The maximum ever recorded across 18 months of live trading, 2. Still, capital can be lost. Only invest what you can afford to lose. On the broker side, that risk is now substantially mitigated. Tagmarkets is regulated by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius and the FSCA in South Africa. Every customer account is insured up to $1 million by Lloyd's of London. The premium is paid entirely by Tagmarkets. With 900,000 clients, $350 billion in monthly trading volume, and 75 liquidity providers, this is a broker operating at institutional scale. One important note: that insurance protects against broker insolvency only. It does not cover trading losses or strategy performance. Your trading capital remains exposed to normal market risk. But the broker question itself is no longer the open question it used to be. Sonic AI is a live verified gold trading strategy that you can copy automatically through regulated infrastructure. 18 consecutive positive months on the record, broker insurance backed by Lloyd's of London, and full transparency on every single trade. To get started, contact the partner who shared this presentation with you. They will guide you through opening your tagmarkets account and connecting to Sonic AI on CopyX. The full process takes about 10 minutes. Trading involves significant risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Capital is at risk. This is not investment advice. Thank you for watching.